Periodic functions multiple choice questions. So we have come to an end of this set of multiple choice questions on periodic functions. So here all the three questions are based on horizontal transformation or horizontal stretch or compression. So I'd like you to understand the characteristics as we go along. So try to answer the questions yourself. You can stop the video, look at the questions, make your choices, right? And here are my solutions. Question 19. What is the equation of axis of symmetry for y equals to 3 minus 7 sine 2x? Y equals to 3, y equals to minus 7, x equals to 3, x equals to minus 7. The purpose of giving this question and these choices is that students, they do know that the axis of symmetry is what? But they really don't know whether it is y equals to that value or x equals to that value, correct? That is kind of difficult for them to understand somehow. So I thought this will make that very clear. The second point which I find students don't understand is if I write this in this fashion. They're so used to seeing this equation in this way. Minus 7 sine 2x plus 3. So if I write this equation as minus 7 sine 2x plus 3, it is easier for them to get the answer. The answer is 3. Now, is that 3 x or y? It is always axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is a horizontal line, correct? So every horizontal line is defined as y value same, right? So the answer is y equals to 3. So I want you to understand that axis of symmetry is a horizontal line for the sine waves, right? So there, the equation is for any horizontal line, y equals to constant, and this constant is plus 3 here, okay? Now question 20. What is the phase shift for the function y equals to 7 sine 2x minus 40 plus 1? Now, well, this also I find students making mistake here. They jump to conclusions. They say minus 40 degrees, that means 40 degrees to the right. Well, you need to factor this too, right? That is the k value. So rewrite this equation as 7 sine, use square brackets, factor out 2, and then write x minus. You get 20 degrees, correct? Plus 1. So the phase shift is 20 degrees to the right, not 40. So that is the reason of having this question number 20 here, okay? And question 21 is, what is the y-intercept for the function y equals to 2 sine 2x plus 30 degrees? The choices are 1, 2, minus 1, and 0. Now what is y-intercept? Y-intercept on your graph is a place where the function crosses y-axis, and that always happens at x equals to 0, right? Now therefore, plug in x equals to 0 here. So if you do that, then you get y-intercept. So you get y-intercept is at y equals to, put x equals to 0, then calculate 2 times sine of 30 degrees, right? Sine of 30 degrees, right? Now that gives you the answer. Sine of 30 degrees you can always find from your triangle, correct? 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? Let's say this is your triangle, and if you're not very sure, there is no harm in drawing it. It just takes a moment, right? Here it is, and that's the sine of 30 degrees. So it is 1 over 2. So it is 2 times half, which is 1, right? So the choice is A. That is the way to do these questions. I hope you enjoyed this journey of reviewing periodic functions with the help of these multiple choice questions. All the best for your test. Thank you.